It's a CL55 AMG doing the trunk lift. This one is blown out. You can see right here. And these are not easy to find because they have these clips right here. It's got this design on this end, and then it's got the standard design over here. If it wasn't for this, it would be a lot easier to deal with. Here's what I'm talking about. See that? And here's the part number for the factory part. W215, because this is a 215 chassis, 750-03-367. Alright, and here's the one that I found on Amazon. I think it was 20 bucks for two of them. And it ends up looking like it's going to work. Let's see what happens here. So, they look like they, side by side, looks like it's going to work. Just a hair longer, like quarter of an inch, half an inch. To pop these off, we're going to be sticking a flathead down here and then pulling this metal clip out, and this end right here, they're going to be doing this, lifting that up, and then that will allow it to pop out. Okay? And orientation is going to be pointing upwards. Okay? Problem is, I'm going to have to remove this clip right here and reinstall it on the new one because the new one doesn't have it. It's very easy. You just push up and then you reinstall on the correct orientation on the new one, like that. This one has a clip on it, so we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here, like so. Let's see if it actually fits first. Yeah, it's working. Okay. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and put some grease on this. Alright, put a little lube on there. It slips on. Noise-free operation. You just put basically, you know, any kind of grease you got lying around, lithium grease, basically anything. That should do. Okay, I've got a little bit on here. This end over here first. It's in the groove, set. There we go. Now it's clipped in. Sweet. I'm gonna do it to the other side and let's see if this thing will lift the trunk. Okay, we got this side in. Alright. I had to twist it a little bit to make it fit. That's okay. Let's see how it goes here. See if we got enough clearance. Trunk is closed basically, and you still have some of the shock shaft showing. And it's holding the weight of the trunk. Okay, I think that would be a success so far. I'm going to go ahead and lubricate all the hinges. I like to use WD-40 doesn't really work. It's good for cleaning, but not for lubrication. So gun oil, Croil, and yeah, that seems to work out pretty good to lubricate these hinges. Or kind of like the Teflon grease, but yeah, you got to have it in the has to run down into the hinge itself. Anyway, thanks for watching. I was glad to find these cheap lifts because the dealer doesn't even carry them anymore because they're out of production. They may come out of back order eventually, but this is what we got to use in the meantime. Until then, thanks for watching.